Students, today I am in this video going to discuss about the life process. The topic is transportation. Transportation refer to the act or the mean by which a molecule or ion is moved across the cell membrane or via the blood stream. Transportation is a life process where substance synthesized or observed in one part of the body are carried to other part of the body. It means the act of transfer of molecules and ions through the body either of plants or animals moving across the cell. Transportation in plants and in animals. Later on we discuss about the different organisms perform transportation in different ways. In plants there is a transportation vessels, xylem tissue, phloem tissue, and in the animals, in higher animals, the animals have a special type of system, that is circulatory system. But today I am going to discuss about the transportation in plant. Transportation is the process of transporting water, minerals to all part of the plant body. Transport in plant occur at different levels. The uptake and release of water and solute by individual cells. Short distance transport of substance from one cell to another cell. We all know that in plant at the different places the different works performed. That means synthesis of food takes place in the leaf and the food is required in all parts of the body, plants of body parts. But we also know that water is available in the soil. From the soil, root absorb the water and send the water to the leaves for the photosynthesis. In this way, transportation of food, that means translocation, and transport of water from and mineral from root to the leaf. These two processes performed in the plants by a special tissue. That tissue is known as conducting tissue. It is also known as vascular tissue. In these tissue, that is xylem tissue and phloem tissue. Now the xylem and phloem, plants have two different types of transport tissue. Xylem transport water and solute from the root to the leaves. Phloem transports food from the leaf to the rest of the plant. Plant use two different strategies: transpirational pull and root pressure for the transportation of water and mineral during day and night. Root pressure and transpiration. Root pressure is the positive process created by the movement of water from the roots to the soil for upward movement of water. The effect of root pressure is the transport of water is more important at night. It is guttation. Now transpiration pool is the pool of water as a result of tension created by transpiration. We all know that transpiration is the removal of water from the plant through the aerial part in the form of water vapor, that is called transpiration. Transpiration in the aerial part of the plant, it is the major driving force of water movement upward in a plant during the day. Transpiration is the process by which water evaporates from the leaves, which result in more water being drawn up from the root. Transport system in plant. Transport in biology means carrying substance absorbed or made in the body of an organism to all other part of its body. In plants, it is only water and mineral that need to be transported to its other part. Another thing that need to be transported to other part of the plant is the food prepared in leaves. So for this plant need transport system in their body to supply all their cell with food, ऑक्सीजन, वाटर, etc. जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं फूड बना लीफ में, रूट वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब किया, रूट से लीफ तक पहुंचाने का काम जाइलम टिश्यू का है और लीफ से फूड को पहुंचाने का काम फ्लोएम टिश्यू का है। वाटर का रिक्वायरमेंट लीफ में है, ट्रांसपीरेशन पूल के कारण जाएगा, रूट प्रेशर से चढ़ेगा और फूड वहाँ से ट्रांसलोकेट होगा, ये प्रोसेस से होता है। नाउ ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम इन प्लांट. ट्रांसपोर्ट इन बायोलॉजी मीन्स कैरिंग सब्सटेंस absorbed or made in body of an organism to all other part of its body. In plant, it is only water and mineral that need to be transported to its parts, other parts. Another thing that need to be transported to other part of the plant is the food prepared in leaves. This is because a plant has a branching shape, so it gets carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and oxygen for respiration from air directly through diffusion. Transport system in plant. Plant xylem vessels and phloem. Xylem and phloem, two different conducting tissue, perform the transportation in plant. Transport system, that is vascular system in plant, xylem tissue and phloem tissue. In the xylem tissue, they have the four components: xylem parenchyma, xylem fiber, tracheids and vessels. In the phloem parenchyma, phloem fiber, companion cell and sieve tube. These are the components of phloem. In the phloem fiber, only the dead. Rest 3 out of 4 components of the phloem are alive. And in the xylem tissue, only xylem parenchyma is the living out of 4th component of the xylem tissue. Vessels, tracheids and xylem fiber are dead parts of xylem tissue. Conducting tissue, xylem tissue and phloem tissue both are the conducting tissue. The two types of conducting tissue that perform the function of transport system in plant, that are xylem and phloem. Transport of water and mineral. Plant need water to make food through the process of photosynthesis and minerals for making protein. Thus, a plant absorbs water and mineral from soil through roots and transport it other parts like stem, leaves, flowers, etc. It is though two kinds of element of xylem tissue called xylem vessels and tracheids and water and mineral move from of a plant to its leaves. Xylem vessels is a long tube made up of dead cell joined end to end. It is a non-living tube which run from roots of the plant and run through the stem and reach every leaf. The end wall of the